So hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I will discuss problem A2 permutations which comes in Pinley round 1. So what the problem statement says, in this problem you are given three integers n, a and b, and we have to determine if there exist two permutations p and q of length n. So first I will tell you what is the meaning of permutations as it is defined here, the definition of permutation. So let's say the permutation of length n means that integers from 1 to n should present in this permutation distinctly. So let's say if n is 5, so one elements from 1 to 5 should be present there uniquely. So it is the basic meaning of permutation, and here it is given we have to determine if there exist two permutations p and q of length n for which these two conditions should be hold. The first condition is the length of longest common prefix of p and q is a, and the length of longest common suffix of p and q is b. So what does it mean? So let's say we are given a permutations of length 6. So and we have to given the values of a and b as 2. So we have to tell if there exist a permutations in which the length of longest common prefix is 2 and the length of longest common prefix is 2. We have to tell two permutations if two permutations exist or not. So let's say this is the p permutation and this is the q permutation, and for making their prefix length should be equal, we have to make both permutations up to that length equal, which means we have to make their prefix equal up to length a. So we have to make both permutations equal up to length a. So as it is given a value is 2, so we have to make them up to 2 equal. So as one here is 1, here is 2, so we have to write 1 and 2 here also. And if it so it is the length of longest common prefix, it means longest common prefix should be same. So it's mean this, and it is given the length of longest common prefix should be 2. So we can make their length here 5 and 6, and we have to write here 5 and 6 in this order only. We can't change their order also. So if it change their order also, their values will also be changed, and in between them we can fill any numbers. What numbers left? 3 and 4. Here we can write 3 and 4, and here we can write 4 and 3. But here is a notice, you can't write here 3 4 again. Why you can't write here 3 and 4 again? If you write here 3 4 and again, so this permutation completely entirely and this permutation entirely will become equal in their prefix longest prefix length, but the longest prefix length is given 2. We can't make their longest prefix length greater than 2. We have to make them exactly. So it is the problem statement, and we have to tell if there exist a two permutations of prefix length a and prefix length b. So that's all we have to tell. We have to tell if there exists, then we have to print yes, otherwise we have to print no. So as so here two conditions will be generated for these permutations should be made. The first condition is if n minus a plus b is greater than equal to 1, greater than equal to 2. then answer always exists. Why answer always exists? Let's see in the example. Uh, let the value of n is 5 and you are given 2 and 2. Value of a is 2 and value of b is 2. We have to make two permutations p and q such that their prefix length of common prefix should be 2 and length of common suffix should be 2. So how it is possible? We have to make their length up to 1 length to both permutations same, and in the end also. Let's say we write here 4 and 6 and 4 and 6. So what the numbers left in between 2 and 4? Only one number left, which is 3. But you can only write here 3. You can write here 3 and you can write here 3. No other numbers left that you can write here. uh, you can't change their order also. If let's say here 5 left, oh sorry, here you have to write 5, it's my mistake, sorry. uh, and value is 5, 6 is not given to us, sorry. uh, 1 2, as you can see, we have make array, we have make both permutations equal up to their prefix of length 2 and their suffix of length 2. But you can see here between 2 and 4 only one element left, which is 3, and this is the only element which is left, so you have to write it here only. You can't write it in any other positions. So as you have write here 3 and 3 also it will be written here. So as you can check, its prefix length is not 2, its length is 5, and it's also, and prefix and both suffix length is 5. So here at least two elements should be present to make the both permutations of same suffix and prefix at a and b. So that's why here is the condition n minus a plus b should be greater than equal to 2. And the second condition is, if a equal to b and n equal to a, which means uh, all three elements should be equal. Let's say an example, let n equal to 4 and a equal to 4 and b equal to 4. So simply you can write 1 2 3 4 here, 1 2 3 4, both permutations, their prefix length is same and suffix length is same, both are equal to 4. So that's all the logic of this problem, behind this problem. So let's move on the code section. As you can see, I have taken input n, a and b, and I have first tried the second case, if n equal to a and a equal to b, which means all three elements are equal, then we have to print yes, and we can simply return from there. If it's not equal, then we will find difference n minus a plus b, and we will check if difference is greater than equal to 2, then yeah, we can say we can change the elements which are left in between their prefix and suffix. That is, not one element is not present between them, there are at least two elements present, we can print yes simply there. And if it only one element left between their prefix and suffix, so we can't change its order, we have to write it as it is. And after writing that, their prefix length and suffix length will not be equal to a and b, they will be equal to n both. So that's all from my side. If you have any doubt, you can please feel free to comment in the comment section, I will resolve your doubt. So thank you guys, bye bye, take care.